More than 2,000 people work in the Odisha Power Generation Corporation's ITPS plant in Banharpali. In the initial days of construction of the plant, a hospital was established by OPGC to provide healthcare facilities to the employees, contract workers, and people of the nearby villages. The hospital over the years has been upgraded regularly to provide improved standards of medical facilities. Recently, a special ward has been opened and dedicated to the public. This will serve the patients suffering from various infectious diseases. In this ward, special measures have been taken to keep other patients away from those infected with contagious and infectious diseases.
डेंगू रोग जोटा बहुत मारात्मक ता संगे स्वाइन फ्लू अन्य कौन से भूताणु केबे कौ भूताणु जदि इपिडेमिक फॉर्म आरंभ करिबो आमे जानिनु बट एबे जो एबेकार सिनारियो अच्छी डेंगू इज ए वेरी डेंजरस डिजीज अलोंग विथ स्वाइन फ्लू रो भी मझिरे होता बट यही आड़े बेसी आसीनी तो से रोगी आम गोटे स्वतंत्र प्रकोष्ठ बनईचु जहाँ कि संक्रामक रोगी संक्रमित रोगी रोग प्रकोष्ठ बोली कहुचे से जगार आम यही मानक पेसेंट मान रखिक आम चिकित्सा करने द्वारा दीटा लाभ हम गोटे है से रोगी मैंने तो लाभ पाइबे प्लस साधारण रोगी मैंने संक्रमण को आम कंट्रोल करि परिबा.
This 4-bedded special isolated ward has 2 air-conditioned rooms. Simultaneously, 4 patients can be treated here. Like other facilities, this special ward is open to the patients from peripheral regions who can avail treatment free of cost.
Corporate social responsibility आम OPGC जोटा करुची since so many years and लोक मैंने समस्ते बहुत खुशी भी अच्छा समस्ते all are satisfied with our treatment facilities. तो आम जिते बेले जो पेसेंट दरकार पड़ा आम से रूम टा ओपन अच्छी आम एमती तो ये 2टा रूम बनईचु with 2 beds in each room. So total at a stretch आम 4 जन संक्रमित रोग को आम एका संगे रखिक चिकित्सा करूँ. Future if it is needed then we may increase it, but now आमे 4टा प्रकोष्ठ करिछु and for infectious diseases.
Addressing the inaugural function of this special ward, Brajraj Nagar MLA Mr. Anup Kumar Sai expressed his appreciation for this noble initiative of OPGC and the IP Thermal authorities. Appreciating the healthcare measures, he remarked that IP Thermal has taken exemplary steps in the region in the healthcare front by making the facilities available to the people of the adjoining areas in addition to its own employees.
जते इंडस्ट्री अछंती आम ओडिसा रे मो कहबी विशेष करी झारखंड जिल्ला रे जे हॉस्पिटल डाक्तरखाना रे रोगी मानकू हमर बिना मूल्य रे एवं भलो भाव रे चिकित्सा देवारे तांकर अग्रणी भूमिका अछि सतिबे तांको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
But the local MLA was not the only one who hailed the ITPS initiatives. Other people's representatives echoed his words too. According to them, it is the only medical center in the region that has been providing quality healthcare facilities to the people.
A OPGC hospital टी आम ए पेरिफेरी ता भितरे जिन पेरिफेरी अंचल अच्छी से लोक मानू बहुत सुंदर भाव में फ्री रे बने चिकित्सा कर बहुत सुंदर भाव में समस्त चिकित्सा से मैंने कर बिना पेमेंट रे आउ जो ये संक्रमित चिकित्सा प्रकोष्ठ उद्घाटन होती से भी लोक मैंने फैसिलिटी पाई परिबे.
The authorities are confident that the special ward would be of immense help to provide better medical care in the hospital. They expect people to avail these special facilities and cooperate the hospital staff to provide better services. Apart from this special ward, the ITPS hospital has a 14-bedded medical facility. Close to 40,000 patients on an average are treated in the hospital OPD annually. Last year, out of the 38,052 patients who availed treatment, 32,628 were from the peripheral villages. Residents of nearly 15 gram panchayats are totally dependent on this hospital.
आमर सब प्रकार सुविधा अच्छी जहाँ टिके देह खराब है आम ये पलि आसू ये आम नु बाहर लोक भी भल सुविधा ये
ये पाखपाखे कुछ एमती गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल ना कि जो मैंने ओपीसी जो प्रकार फैसिलिटी दूसरी माने अन्य गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल सेमती फैसिलिटी ना ये सुविधा मैंने फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ट्रीटमेंट होची औषध खर्च निजे बहन करने पड़ू किंतु ट्रीटमेंट भल लेबोरेटरी फैसिलिटी मिलूँ फ्री अल्ट्रासाउंड फ्री एक्सरे फ्री सब जिन मिलूँ।
This B-line depicts the faith and confidence of these patients on the ITPS hospital. After registration, they wait eagerly for their turn. The doctors too show no signs of hassle and attend all the patients with a lot of care. In addition to medical advice, the hospital at Ip Thermal has been providing and is committed to provide all requisite medical tests and treatment to the patients. All vital and modern diagnostic facilities and expert advice by doctors are available at the hospital free of cost. Even some common medicines are provided to the patients without any charges.
आमर ये ओटी आम ओटी फैसिलिटी ना आम 3 जन डाक्तर अच्छे मेडिसिन स्पेशलिस्ट अच्छी आउ 2 जन आमर MBBS डॉक्टर अच्छा लेडी डॉक्टर अच्छा ता बाहर आम 3 जन आमर विजिटिंग डॉक्टर्स को प्रति सप्ताह जड़े पेडियाट्रिशियन जड़े गायनिक स्पेशलिस्ट आउ मास को 2 थर आमर जड़े आई स्पेशलिस्ट आसती मझे मझे आम लेप्रोस्कोपी कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज करथौ जो थे आम गोटे ओटी अच्छी से ओटी आम आमर लेप्रोस्कोपिक ऑपरेशन कहतु कि एब्डोमिनल गलस्टोन है कि लेप्रोस्कोपी फैमिली प्लानिंग कैंप आम ये ऑर्गेनाइज करथौ।
The emergency unit of the hospital is always on the alert for accident victims. The injured are treated at the minor operation theatre. The hospital also has ultrasound and physiotherapy facilities. Those patients who are prescribed physiotherapy by doctors, they do avail the facilities at the special unit.
बहुत जन आसिक भल हो ट्रायल डॉक्टर को देखाइल भल है पुणी बुला गलु से भी भल है डॉक्टर विश्वाल को देखला डॉक्टर विश्वाल एडभाइस देले एटा को आसी ट्राक्शन ना टे भल लगुच प्राय 4 दिन खंडे नहीं चली बुली पार्टी।
ITPS spends more than 1 crore rupees annually to run this hospital. That apart, funds meant for development of hospital infrastructure are also spent in time. At least 3 doctors, including a specialist, are available round the clock for treating patients. Additionally, as per requirement, surgeons and other specialists are invited to attend the patients in the hospital. ITPS also organizes health camps in the adjoining villages to provide doorstep health services to people of nearby villages. This hospital is a burning example of OPGC's commitment to its social responsibility, and the Ip Thermal Power Station has been successfully discharging it over the years. This noble and sincere initiatives of OPGC has brought smiles to thousands of people in the peripheral villages of Ip Thermal Power Station and infused a sense of security in them. The great amount of faith the people repose on OPGC healthcare has made OPGC, the doctors and medical staff proud and has provided inspiration to provide better services in the coming days.